We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hello, I'm Nathan with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to look at this HP OfficeJet Pro 9015. Today we're going to show you how to print off a status page so you can monitor your ink level. So, on this, you're going to click on the top ribbon. It's going to lower it down. You're going to go to the, looks like the little raindrop. You're going to click on that, and it's going to show you your toner levels. If you click on any of them, there'll be a print button. You can print it off. And give it a second to print it. So on this page right here, you'll have all your ink levels and how many pages they printed and so forth. It's good to have so you can make sure that you don't run out of ink. Make sure you get some. And if you need any supplies, give us a call, comment, and we will hook you up. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.